Ethereum is in a freefall, wiping out over $32 billion in market value. Bitcoin has been stuck in a 200-day limbo, and XRP has shown some of the wildest price swings we've seen in months. What's happening? Are we on the verge of a major crypto collapse or a massive rebound? This video has all the answers. Whether you're holding Ethereum, Bitcoin, or XRP, or simply looking for insights on the crypto market's next big moves, you cannot afford to miss this one. Stick with me to the end for some expert analysis that could help protect your portfolio and maybe even open up your next big opportunity. Welcome back to another episode of Zaki Crypto Update, the place where we break down the biggest events in the crypto world, helping you make informed decisions about your investments. Today, we have some major news to unpack about Ethereum, Bitcoin, and XRPs. The Europeans are facing serious challenges, and it's crucial to understand what's going on. Ethereum has wiped out over $32 billion in value. Bitcoin's been stuck in a narrow range for 200 days, frustrating traders everywhere. And XRP has been a roller coaster of wild swings in just the last 7 days. So what does all this mean for the future of these assets and more importantly for your portfolio? I've got all the latest data and technical analysis to help you navigate these uncertain waters. Sit tight and watch until the end because every piece of this puzzle could be crucial for your next big decision. And trust me, there's a lot to unpack today. I'll break down each of these cryptos in detail, give you key price levels to watch, and explain meets plain friends mean for traders and long-term holders alike. Plus, I'll share some expert insights into whether this is the time to buy, sell, or simply wait for the dust to settle. So make sure you don't click away. This is information you need if you're serious about crypto. Let's kick things off with Ethereum, which is currently experiencing one of the most significant sell-offs we've seen in recent months. To put it in perspective, Ethereum has wiped out over $32 billion in market value in a relatively short period of time. The price is hovering around $2,314 right now, and the big question on everyone's mind is, how low can it go? The root of Ethereum's trouble lies in aggressive selling pressure, particularly from larger holders. We've seen a chain reaction triggered by this selling activity where more and more investors are unloading their positions, further driving the price down. This kind of cascading effect can be devastating in crypto, and now Ethereum's short-term market outlook isn't looking good. The key technical levels are critical here. Ethereum is teetering around the $2,300 mark, which is an essential level to monitor. But if this support level is breached, we see even more significant losses ahead. Below this, the next major support is around $2,150, a zone where we saw consolidation earlier this year. If Ethereum falls through both these levels, we could be looking at a move toward $2,000 or even lower. That would represent a huge cyclical blow to Ethereum holders and could trigger another wave of panic selling. On the flip side, if Ethereum can hold above $2,300 and show signs of stabilization, we might see a rebound, but for now, the bears are in control. The downward momentum is strong, and unless we see a major shift in market sentiment or buying pressure, the path of least resistance for Ethereum looks like it's downward. Next, let's dive into Bitcoin, which has been frustrating traders for months now. Bitcoin has been stuck in a limbo for over 200 days, caught between two critical price levels and showing little sign of breaking out. But for a lot of traders, the stagnation has been a major source of frustration. Despite occasional price spikes, Bitcoin has been unable to sustain any meaningful momentum. And the chart shows a clear lack of upward movement, with Bitcoin bouncing between $63,000 resistance and $59,000 support. What we're seeing here is a classic case of low volatility and diminishing liquidity, where traders are pulling out and volume is drying up. But here's the thing, Bitcoin needs to make a move, and soon. If Bitcoin can break above the $63,000 resistance level, we could see a substantial rally, one that might reignite interest in the market. But on the flip side, if Bitcoin falls below $59,000, it could trigger a more severe correction. The $59,000 level has been tested multiple times, and a breakdown here could open the door for a larger sell-off, potentially pushing Bitcoin into the mid $50,000 range or lower. The frustrating thing for traders is that Bitcoin is in this state of limbo, neither making decisive moves upward nor downward. This prolonged period of low volatility is making it difficult for traders to make profitable moves, and it's also leading to a sense of uncertainty in the broader crypto market. So what should we be watching? The $63,000 resistance and $59,000 support are the levels to keep an eye on, and breakout in either direction will likely determine Bitcoin's next significant move. Until then, we're stuck in this frustrating cycle of sideways trading. Now, let's talk about XRP, which has been nothing short of chaotic over the last 7 days. XRP gave traders whiplash with some of the most erratic price movements we've seen in recent memory. At first, XRP broke out of a symmetrical triangle pattern, which is usually a bullish sign. But what happened next caught almost everyone off guard. The breakout quickly turned into a false breakout. After spiking higher, XRP immediately retraced, leaving bullish traders with significant losses. A lot of traders who were expecting a prolonged rally got burned by this false move, but it didn't stop there. Instead of stabilizing or consolidating after the retracement, XRP kept falling and is now trading well below its initial breakout level. This erratic price action has likely led to a lot of liquidations on both sides of the market, bears who were taken by surprise by the initial breakout and bulls who overleveraged themselves hoping for a rally. Right now, XRP is below several key moving averages, which is a concerning sign for the bulls. The next important levels to watch are $0.55 and $0.50. The $0.50 mark in particular is a critical psychological barrier. If XRP breaks below this level, we could see another round of selling, potentially pushing the price lower. On the other hand, if XRP can recover and hold above $0.55, signal a stabilization or even a reversal. But given the recent volatility, XRP remains a risky asset to trade, and investors should approach it with caution. If you're enjoying this in-depth analysis and want to stay updated on all the latest crypto news and market movements, do me a favor, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us keep bringing you the insights you need to make informed decisions in the world of crypto. Plus, you won't want to miss out on our future updates, so make sure to turn on notifications too. So after all of that, what should you as an investor take away from the current state of Ethereum, Bitcoin, and XRP? The main takeaway here is to proceed with caution. Ethereum is in a dangerous downtrend, and if it breaks below those key support levels, we could see even more losses. For Bitcoin, we're in a waiting game. Until Bitcoin breaks out of its narrow range, it's going to be tough for traders to make any significant moves. The bottom line is that the market is at a critical juncture. Whether you're a short-term trader or a long-term holder, now is the time to stay informed and watch these key price levels closely. Thank you for sticking with me through this analysis. I hope this video gave you some clarity on the current state of the crypto market. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out my other videos where I break down even more market trends and price predictions.